This quick guide will teach you how to release a Twilio virtual phone number. Whether you're freeing up resources or simply no longer need a particular number, releasing it from your Twilio account is a straightforward process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the skills to manage your Twilio phone numbers efficiently, saving both time and money. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to twilio.com. Once you're on the Twilio homepage, you'll need to log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. However, assuming you already have access, simply enter your login details to proceed. After logging in, look to the left-hand side of the dashboard. You'll find a navigation menu there. Click on Develop. This menu option gives you access to various development tools and resources within Twilio. It's an important section that provides comprehensive controls over your Twilio services. So it's worth familiarizing yourself with it if you plan to use Twilio regularly. Once you're in the Develop section, the next step is to find the phone numbers option. Click on it, and this will bring you to the area where you can manage all your phone numbers. Here you have access to both the numbers you've already acquired and options for obtaining new ones. It's a central hub for all things related to Twilio phone numbers. Now, within the phone numbers section, you'll want to click on Manage. This will take you to an interface where you can see your current list of numbers. Managing your numbers here means you can not only release them, but also configure them and add new numbers as needed. The next action is to click Active Numbers. This option will show you a list of all the phone numbers currently active on your account. It's a helpful way to quickly view which numbers are in use and make decisions about which ones you might want to release. Finally, you'll need to select the specific phone number you wish to release. Carefully check you've picked the correct number, as releasing it will remove it from your account and potentially make it available for others to purchase. Once you've confirmed your selection, click Release. A prompt may appear asking you to confirm this action, ensuring you're aware that releasing the number is irreversible in terms of ownership. And there you have it. Your selected Twilio virtual phone number has been successfully released. Remember, if you ever need to acquire a new number, you can easily do so from the same dashboard. Releasing numbers you no longer need is a great way to keep your Twilio account organized and cost effective. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has made the process clear and simple.